How to create Nvidia account. If you want to use the Nvidia and don't know how to create an account on it, then don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open one of the web browser that you use, just like this. After that, tap onto the search bar and type Nvidia, just like this, and tap on it. Now scroll down and here you can find Nvidia account. Now tap on it. Now you can see something like this. Now to create an account, you can simply enter your email to log in or create an account, or you can simply log in with the Google, Discord, Apple or the Facebook. Now to create account, simply add your email just like this. After adding your email, tap on to continue. Then add your password. After that, tap on to login. And now you can see you have been logged in and created an account. Just right here you can see your account. And that's it. This is how you can create the Nvidia account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.